Hello guys, welcome back to Momo Beginner Sewing. Today we are going to make baby sundress with elastic bag. Let's start and watch this tutorial. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewings. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. For making a sundress, we are using leftover fabric which is around 26 inch in total length. First of all, we are going to take out the front skirt which will be around 14 inch in length. So let's cut it. First mark it and then cut it. As you can see, we have our front skirt now. Now we will take out our back side of the skirt, which will be around 18 inch in length, 4 inch more than the the front part from the front part. We are making front borders over here. After taking out the 6 inch, now we are going to make the marking. This is 2 inch. At the end of this all the cutting, you are going to have all the measurements written. This is 7.5 inch in width and 6 inch in length and 4 inch from the top side. For body's proper measurement, you can pause this video. After this all the measurement, we want our front width for 13 inch basically. So, and you need 4 pieces of this kind of cutting pieces. So you need 4 pieces. Mark the notches so it will be easy for you while you were sewing. As you can see, I have marked everything, how many pieces you need, what you need exactly. The main thing is that the back skirt should be 4 inch more than the front side of the skirt. For the start, we will stitch, we start with the front borders. So let's start with the front borders stitching. You can see that I am start putting the lace for the designing. The lace already have a little gathers in it. I put the pin over here so you can have the idea that how it is going to work. This is the how our lace look like, and after putting the lace how the bodice looks like. Now we will attach our strap in it at the top of the bodice part. Now attach the strap on the borders between linings. Now we will attach our lining on it and we'll sew it. We will prepare both of the pieces like this and then attach them with each other. You can see that I'm done with the both bodice pieces, and I will make some notches over here so it will be easy to turn around. If you have my old videos, you can watch this whole process. I will put down the link as well, so it will be easy for you. After finalizing our bodice, we are going to take our front skirt and give little gathers in it so it will be fitted on with the width of the bodice, and going to attach it. We are going to mark till the length of front. Obviously it's 4-inch extra, so just take the 4-inch and make a cover kind of thing. So we are making casing for elastic over here. We are going to make a casing of 1 inch and going to have 3 sewing lines on it, and then put the elastic in it. You can see that our elastic has been done. Now I'm going to mark with a pin so it will lock and elastic will not go here and there. This is our final look. We will sew this so elastic will not go here and there, and now after that we are going to sew our front with the back side of the dress. So officially everything is ready, we just need to attach them. At the end I'm going to apply some frill, or you can say lace or frill, and then just sew the end of the dress. If you like this Sundress tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and share this video as well. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comment section box. Thank you.